Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing what's inside my sipsby box for February. I'm so excited to share the delicious teas inside here with you, and Alice was equally excited to sniff these teas out. Now I am a little late in getting this video out. I got my box quite late. I was traveling, I picked it up, and then I traveled again, so I just got around to filming back, I would say, like late February, early March, and it was actually a snowstorm when I was filming this, so stay tuned to the end of the video to kind of see a little highlight of that. But anyway, let's get started with what is inside my sipsby box. So the first tea I'm pulling out is our Darjeeling black tea. I actually made this on my Instagram stories over at Fashion Storyteller. The other tea I pulled out was one that I was really hoping I was going to get. It's called the cookie tea. So it's a sugar cookie sweetheart tea, perfect for Valentine's Day. And spoiler, this tea I ended up making at the end of the video. The next tea I pulled out is the Belgian chocolate truffle tea by Oteas, and this was amazing. I made it as a latte on my Instagram stories, and you guys, oh, it was so good. I highly recommend it. Also picked out sipsby tea bags, and then we had the final tea, which was this delicious tea. It's an organic peppermint AMOUR tea by DAVIDsTEA, which you guys know I absolutely love DAVIDsTEA, so I was very excited to see them in my box. Now it is time to make a delicious cup of tea with you guys, and the one I decided to pick was the Sugar Cookie Sweetheart Tea by Cookie Tea, and this just smelled amazing, and it does taste like a cookie, so spoiler alert. And inside it has rooibos, carob bits, white cocoa butter splits, honeybush sugar hearts, cat's foot, and natural flavoring. This is a caffeine-free tea, and here's what they have to say about it. Steeped with love, this sugar cookie tea has comforting notes of vanilla and cocoa butter for a cup that is reminiscent of freshly baked treats, lazy weekend mornings, and handwritten notes. I boiled my kettle to 212°F, and you can steep this tea up to 5 minutes. Ultimately, though, I decided to leave my tea bag in. I did not find that it made the tea bitter, changed the flavor, anything like that. It tasted really good keeping it in there. And oh my gosh, you guys, it was so comforting, very delicious tea. And a big virtual cheers over to each and every one of you. I'm gonna take my tea over into the living room. As mentioned earlier in the video, there's a big snowstorm happening outside, and Alice and I were very curious to watch all the snow coming down. So I brought my tea over to the couch with Alice and just really enjoyed this moment. I find tea time for me is always a really good time to be in the moment, to be in the present, and just really just enjoy and just relax. And do you guys see the little bird that flew by? I just thought that was so cool. Anyway, that is it for today's sipsby video. I'd love to know which of these teas you would love to try first. Please let me know. Also, a big thank you to sipsby for gifting me this box to enjoy. I had so much fun unboxing it and trying out all the delicious teas. If you guys didn't know, sipsby is a tea subscription box service. They have amazing different boxes. Sometimes they have ones that are themed for special occasions like the holidays, things like that, but they will have a special customized box with your tea preferences each month. If you would like to try out a box, you can use code TLOVE to save $5 off your first box. Anyway, you guys, I wish you a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.